awesome news for people who want to enhance their employment income without getting a second job. Imagine if you had a website, an online business that offered your website visitors access to over 200 million items at some of the lowest prices on the planet. Now imagine that you get paid a commission each time anyone makes a purchase. Well, now you can. Visit IncomeWebstore.com for all the details. IncomeWebstore.com has partnered with the world's #1 online retailer, Amazon.com, to provide you with this unique business opportunity. That's right, you can now own an online business of your very own that pays you real commissions on over 200 million products. Plus, your Income Web Store will feature a one-click function to the Amazon Today's Deals, where you and your visitors can save 30 to 97% on Amazon's regular retail prices every day, with over 1,000 new hand-picked deals added every single day. There is no inventory to buy, no orders to place, no products to ship, and no customer service to handle. That's all handled automatically by Amazon.com. All you do is promote your website in your spare time and you're done. Amazon does the rest. Best part is you can own this huge online business for as little as $27 a month when you select PayPal credit at checkout. Visit IncomeWebstore.com today for all the details. They'll even pay you up to $200 for each person you refer who purchases an Income Web Store of their own. This means you can actually earn thousands of extra dollars each month just by telling others about this exciting new business opportunity. And that money is immediately deposited into your PayPal account on the very same day you make the sale. There's truly no limit to how much money you can earn. That's IncomeWebstore.com. Anyone on the planet can make money with this. Wow, this is some really great news. Awesome.